Today we're making a taco casserole with rice, capturing some of those flavors that we love in tacos. Let's get cooking. Add some oil to a frying pan and then add your ground beef. We want to brown the beef, but we also want to render out the fat. I'm using a spatula, but you could use a wooden spoon for this. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I want to use a colander to actually strain out the excess oil. It's not so good in this dish. Add the cooked ground beef back to the frying pan and then add your seasoning, your black beans that have been rinsed and drained, diced chilies, sweet corn, tomatoes with the juice, and then 1 1/4 cups of rice, and then some homemade salsa, but you could use your favorite recipe, and some chicken broth. Give this a stirring. As you look in the pan, you're going to see some beautiful colors, and that's what I love about this Mexican rice. Add some of your Mexican blend cheese. And then I like to spray my Pyrex dish. This stops it from sticking. Add your rice mix to the Pyrex dish and just spread it out. Now we want to cover this with foil. Place this in the oven and bake until the rice is tender. After 50 minutes, top it with some more cheese. Chopped green onions. Pop it back in to melt the cheese. As you look at it, you'll notice the cheese is melted just lovely. Watch as I dip a spoon in. Let's give it a try. As you taste it, you've got the flavors of Mexico, everything you love about a burrito, the beans, the sweetness from the corn, the perfect spice. Until next time, always remember, keep it simple. See you soon.